So I'm not going to vlog my face because I haven't got any makeup on and I look shocking, but we've arrived in Iceland and we waited ages for our rental car because Will had given them the wrong time to arrive, like a dafty, and he asked for a manual car, but we've been given this, which, you know, looks like an automatic, but it's not. You change gears like with your hands.
Like a go-kart.
I've never seen a car like this before and I'm really worried we're going to go flying off the edge of a cliff or something. I'm trusting you with my life.
I love how much faith you have in me.
I look a little bit more presentable now, so I will be on camera and I'll show you our room. Unfortunately, we don't have a nice view where we are. It's of rubbish, basically. But the actual hotel itself has a lake view, so I'm sure I'll show you that at some point. This is the bed. I don't think that's a standard double, do you? I think it's much bigger.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. 3. Oh my god, all of my stuff has fallen off the bed. Okay, we'll fix that in a minute. We have a TV, recliner. This is a door to the outside, so you can park your car directly outside because we've rented a car, like I said. And then this is the bathroom. We have a sink. We have a mirror, shower and toilet. Pretty standard, but it's okay. What are we gonna do now?
Eat.
Eat, yes. It's now been about 10 hours since either of us had anything proper to eat. We both had some sweets on the plane to stop our ears popping, but that's it, and we're starving. So the lady at reception told us, sorry if I'm looking weird, I'm putting my shoes on. The lady at reception told us that there's a diner somewhere near here that sells like burgers and pizza and all that sort of thing. So we're gonna try and find that place, and then we're gonna go to Reykjavik city centre and have a look around for the rest of the afternoon. So yeah, I will take you with me. You can see the church at the end of the road. That's where we're heading. And a polar bear. So this is the second time I'm telling you I'm freezing. Because the first time I was zoomed right in on my face. Mostly my mouth. So I'll tell you again, I'm freezing. I've given up with my hat and I've put my hood up because I thought my face was going to freeze off. It's so lovely and sunny, but then when you're actually out in it, it's so cold. So cold. So we're heading off a little bit earlier than we were going to. And I can't remember what we said we were going to do, but I'll keep you updated. We're now here. I don't know what it is, but I think you can go to the top of it and look out over the city, so cool. And really pretty views again. Well, isn't this nice? This is pretty fab.
It's pretty cool.
Got the mountains over there. They're actually a lot closer than the camera makes them look. The camera kind of pushes everything away from the lens, if that makes sense. But it's actually all a lot closer in person. Just having a look at this map to see if there's anywhere we want to go. Aren't we, Wawa?
Of course we are.
I really liked it here. We didn't stay, well, obviously we're still in here, but we're not staying very long. We went up on the viewing deck like I showed you, and it was freezing. So we did a lap and took some photos, and now we're gonna go. But yeah, I feel like we've seen a decent amount today, don't you?
Yeah, I think a bit of Reykjavik.
Reykjavik. He means Reykjavik. Hello everyone, it is day 2. My bag just fell on my foot. Oh, my selfie stick stabbed me. We are off to Blue Lagoon this morning, and I was really excited, but now I'm slightly less excited because, and you're going to think this is really stupid, the water here smells really bad because of the sulphur. It's just where it is in the world. Because it's volcanic, there's sulphur in the water. Anyway, so the water smells disgusting. I think I just turned off my camera. No, I didn't. And it occurred to me that Blue Lagoon, a large natural hot spring, is probably going to smell disgusting. So I'm a bit nervous now, but either way I know it's going to be beautiful. So even if I get there and I don't want to like fully submerge myself and stink like egg, it's still going to be really pretty. And then we're going to go and see some waterfalls anyway, so...
You still have to put up with me smelling like
yeah,
it, so...
he'll smell like egg, but yeah, we'll see. After getting slightly lost, we're here. It's right next to a power station, so I'm not sure, like, if I manage to get any photos, I'm not sure how nice they'll be because there's like cranes and stuff in the background, but we'll see. We are in the middle of nowhere now, at a waterfall. It looks really pretty. It's amazing. Hello everyone, it's day 3 and I haven't spoken to you yet, but you'll have seen lots of footage of us driving and whatnot. We're in a national park at the moment. Gonna go see a geyser, I think. Geyser, however it's pronounced.
A geezer.
A geyser. Is that actually pronounced geyser though? I don't know.
No, a geezer's an old bloke.
Yeah, but my nan said it was pronounced geyser.
deep, but it's not.
Look at those clouds. And William is back, getting some petrol. You can feel warm air coming off it. Yes. We're off to see a waterfall. Well, is it a series of waterfalls?
Probably.
Off we go, more walking. Chloe's about to die. It's snowing! It's snowing! We haven't had any snow in England this year where I live. This is the first time I've seen snow all year. And it's snowing when I'm next to this massive waterfall. Packing to go home. Bye bye rental car.
Bye car.
Bye car. 400 miles in 3 days.